What's going on, everyone? It's your girl Shani the Queen, and we are back at it again with another video. So today's look is really Hollywood, LA, Los Angeles type of look. Yes, my dears, I am using Juvia's Place makeup, and I'm using the IL Makiage. I'm on day 3 of trying out the 14-day trial to see if I like it or if I'm going to return it. I know I'm not going to return it because when I tell you that the blending and how it matches my skin is to the T, it is to the T. So I do have a video that I done when I did it the first time, when I applied the IL Makiage foundation for the first time. And like I always say, it scared me. It scared me because I was not prepared for how it was going to be swiped on the face. So yes, that was very, very much scary. But guess what? Trials and errors is always in my videos. I always perfect every single time. And I'm on day 3 and it looks amazing and I love it. Juvia's Place was a recommendation of a friend from high school, and I love this product. I use it like the whole face is Juvia, except for the foundation, and I am in love with it, like the eyeshadow, everything. So I gave you guys type of an eccentric kind of nightlife pop makeup, and I don't know, I really love it. It's making me have to dive deep into my makeup skills that I don't have. Because like again, like I always tell you guys, I'm not a makeup artist. But guess what? My 2020 resolution has come to fruition because I don't know if you guys noticed that. But yes, that's the wing, you guys. That is the wing. The video of me first trying Juvia's Place makeup, this wing was hurt and embarrassing. So I went out, bought me some real liquid eyeliner, and so I could apply it as it needed to be, and it looks so good. Now, I'm not gonna lie to you guys, I had to do this one probably about 2, 3, 4, 5 times before it became a good wing. But you know, when I blink, people's hair is gonna be flowing in the wind. It's gonna be flowing in the wind because this wing is on point. This was work. Like I had to put my heart and soul in for this wing. Again, I'd like to give a shout out to Motivational Holics for my chair. Shoni the King from Motivational Holics. So without further ado, we're going to go into how I apply this makeup. And the best thing about it, you get a bonus with this video because I show you guys how I protect my natural hair while applying a wig on top of it. And this is a cheap wig. This wig cost me $54. So for me to make it look natural, it really takes a lot, but it really doesn't take a lot. It's all in the edges, you guys. And you will see that in this video. It is all in the edges. Yes, honey. So you get a bonus video on how to make a cheap wig look expensive. In the comments, if you tell me that thing still look cheap, you know what? Touche. And I feel like I am just giving me Mega the Stallion look right now. Nicki Minaj. You know, I feel like I'm giving something. But we gonna see, you guys. Please subscribe. Let's get those likes up and get the comments in. Let's go.
It's Frosty, baby. 2-step and slide. 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 Now shake and tell. Shake and tell. Shake and tell. Let's go. Check this out. Check this out. Check this out. Check this out. DJ Frosty, DJ Damage, DJ Fresh. Let's go. Movie brothers.
Movie brothers.
Movie brothers. Movie brothers. I'ma take a trip everywhere. Jersey Club. Next stop. Let's go. Let's go. Switch. Let's go. Cartels. What's up? Let's go. Oh. Let's go. Team Franklin. Oh. Boogie to the right. Boogie to the right, boogie to the left, boogie to the right, boogie to the right, boogie to the right, now boogie to the left, boogie to the right, boogie to the right, boogie to the right, boogie to the left, boogie to the right. Let's go, my movie brother, movement. Let's go, spin around, spin around. Clap, clap. Who next? Who next? Who next? Let's go. Let's go. Spin around, spin around. Clap, clap. Who next? Check this out. Slow motion, slow motion, slow motion. Get the MJ going. Now flex, 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 now flex. Wait, slow motion, 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 slow motion. Get the MJ going. Get the MJ going. MJ look right, right, right,
that hands up, hands up, hands up, hands up, hands up, hands up, get your two-step going. Hands up, hands up, hands up, hands up, hands up, hands up, spin around, get your patty cake going. Patty cake going, patty cake, get your patty cake, patty cake, get your patty cake, patty cake, get your patty cake, patty step going, get your patty cake going, patty cake, get your patty cake, patty cake, get your patty cake, patty cake, patty cake, patty cake, spin around, round, 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 round.
DJ Slink, DJ Slink, DJ Slink, DJ Slink, DJ Slink, DJ Slink, DJ Slink.
Spin around, round, 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 round,
DJ Slink, DJ Slink, DJ Slink.
Shut up, new DJ Crush. Let's go. Two steps to the right. Let's go. Two steps to the right. Let's go. Two steps to the right. Let's go. Let's go. Two steps to the right. Everybody clap your hands. Clap your hands. Let's go. Clap your hands. Let's go. Clap your hands. Let's go. Clap your hands. Clap your hands. Let's go. Clap your hands. Let's go. Clap your hands. Let's go. Now lean to the front. 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 Let's go. Point at him. Point. 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 Point at him. Point. 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 Two steps to the right. Ho! Two steps to the right. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go. Two steps to the right. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go. Two steps to the right. Let's go. Everybody clap your hands. Clap your hands. Let's go. Clap your hands. Let's go. Clap your hands. Clap your hands. Clap your hands. Clap your hands. Let's go. Clap your hands. Now lean to the front.
Let's go. Let's go. Let's go. 3, 2, 1, hit it. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go. 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 Let's go. Fade to the left. Fade to the right. Fade to the left. Fade to the right. Just like that. Just like that. Just like that. 3, 2, 1, hit it. Get your sexy walk on. Get your sexy walk on. Get your sexy walk on. Let's go, let's go. Get your sexy walk on. Get your sexy walk on. Get your sexy walk on. 3, 2, 1, hit it. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go. 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 Let's go. Fade to the left. Fade to the right. Fade to the left. Fade to the right. Just like that. Just like that. Just like that. 3, 2, 1, hit it. Get your sexy walk on. Get your sexy walk on. Get your sexy walk on. Let's go, let's go.
Ladies, got another one. This one called the workout, baby. Two step to the left, two step to the right, two step to the left, two step to the right. Now speed it up. Ho, ho, ho. Two step to the left, two step to the right, two step to the left, two step to the right. Go swimming.
Run my numbers up.
I hope you guys enjoyed what you see. It has definitely been a pleasure to show you guys how I style my wigs. If you guys style it differently, please let me know how you style your wigs under the comments, because I learned from everybody. So this is not how you did it. Please let me know how you did it. The application of my makeup, again, I'm not a makeup artist, so if you do it differently, please tell me how you do it differently so I can perfect my craft also. But until next time, you guys, please do not forget to hit the like button. Please tell me how you felt about this. So comment, please share, and please, most importantly, subscribe. It's your girl, Shani the Queen, and I am out. Bye.